Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you guys doing today? Today I am back on my roll, kind of, because last week was kind of just a giveaway announcer day, and then the week before I didn't post anything, but I am back now on my regular schedule, and I'm back with another Tokyo Kawaii Club unboxing video. So if you don't know what the Tokyo Kawaii Club is, then you can go watch my other videos because I always talk about it. This is my 8th, I think. Yeah, I think it is my 8th unboxing video of this stuff, and I just love it. The Tokyo Kawaii Club is just really awesome. It's very affordable in my opinion, and the items that you get are just super cute, and you can't really get them anywhere else in the States unless you go to the Tokyo Disneyland, which is a dream of mine to go visit. So if you want to see what I got in this month's Tokyo Kawaii Club package, then stay tuned. Alright, so this is the package. You have the cute Tokyo Kawaii Club logo right here, and let's just get into the bag. Alright, so as usual, you got the bag in a bag, and it's of course a 35th Happy Celebration bag, and then you have Mickey and Minnie ice skating on the end, looking very cute. And then is that Pirates of the Caribbean right there. Alright, into the bag we go. So the first thing that I am pulling out is, I think it's a folder, and it's very cute. It is this Stella Lou folder. Look at that here. Let's do a close-up. Here you go. It's very pretty, and on the back it's this. So I think it's like 2 folders. You have the one big purple folder here, and then you have the cute small pink folder on this side, which is very cute. Stella Lou is very cute. I love her. I don't know if I really have any Stella Lou things. I think I have more Duffy and Gelatoni, but I'm very excited to add Stella Lou to my collection. I have the Gelatoni folders, which I love, love, love so much. So I'm so excited for those folders. Anyway, moving on. The next thing I'm pulling out is just another, what is this, like a note from the curator, Michael. And it's on this very cute Chip and Dale Rescue Ranger stationery set. So that is fun. Next thing I'm pulling out is a little bag inside the big bag, and always little bags have some of the best things. And of course I am right, they do have the best things, because the first thing that I'm pulling out of the tiny bag is this Oof Boofy. So this completes my Aristocats Oof Boofy collection. I can do a video on that later if you want to see my Oof Boofy collection anyway. But this is Duchess. So I have all 3 of the kittens. I just got Thomas in my last month's mailer, and now I have Duchess to add to it. Look how cute she is with her fancy collar. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited to have all of these, and if you guys do want to see an Oof Boofy collection, I can do a video on that, so you can just let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, very cute. Alright, next thing is of course the little Scentsies that you put inside of your Oof Boofies, and this is the apple scents. I just love that you can add scents or don't add scents. So I add my Scentsies to like every other Oof Boofy that I have. That way it's not like a whole bunch of scents like mixing together, because I have them all on a shelf next to each other. So Thomas already has, I think, the apple in him, so I probably won't add the apple into Duchess, but I do keep them on the side to replace as the scents like fade away, I guess you could say. Alright, next thing was like this weird box looking thing. It looks like a top hat, which makes sense because you got Minnie and Mickey here like wearing a top hat. So I'm going to open it, and then there's this like tiny little bag in it. Oh, here we go. Looks like a mystery surprise bag. Oh, and this is a very cute Daisy Duck phone keychain. So it looks like this. Wait, if it stays. It's focusing, but if you can kind of see it, there you go. It's Daisy, and it's a phone charm, and it's supposed to be, I guess, like they're all fancy and elegant with their top hats and their pea coats and everything. So this is super cute. I'm gonna add this to my phone. I had a cupcake one from him before, or from my, I think it was like 3 or 4 Tokyo Kawaii Club packages before. I had a little cupcake, but it broke off, so now I can add this into it, which is very exciting. Next thing I am pulling out is a button to add to my button collection. So this is a very pretty Cinderella button. I think I have like 2 Toy Story ones, and I think maybe a Rapunzel one. I can't remember. It might be 2 Toy Story ones and an Alice one, actually. I honestly can't remember. I have a lot. But also, if you want to see my button collection or pin collection, I can do one for you too. Just let me know in the comments. I'm trying to think of more video ideas to do, like showing collections or something, because I like to watch everybody else's Disney collection. So yeah, this is a very cute Cinderella. She is one of my favorite princesses because she is a classic. So I will add that to my collection. Okay, the next item I'm pulling out are, they're super duper cute notepad, and it is watermelon notepads with Minnie Mouse right there, you can see. And these are super cute. This is what it kind of looks like on the back, so you can kind of see like what exactly they are. And they are watermelon notepads. This is super cute. I love notepads. I have the Toy Story like portfolio of all notepads, which I love and I'm using constantly, so I'm so super happy to add more notepads to my collection. I just like to make little notes and I can take them to work and stuff, and it's super cute. I just love it. All right, I'm rambling. Last thing. Oh wow, what the heck? All right, so the last thing I'm pulling out is this, I think it's a hand towel or a dish towel, I'm not sure, but let's just take it off the rack. It's not a rack, it's a hanger, I guess. Taking it off the hanger. Okay, yeah, so it is a dish rag, and it's a Disney Tsum Tsum dish rag, and it looks like this. So you have Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy, Mickey and Minnie, Goofy down there, Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Donald, or that's not Goofy, it's Daisy and Donald. This is a very, very nice dish rag. This is so cute. Wow. I just love the animations that the Tokyo Disneylands do, or Disney stores do. They're just like really, really cute, and they're just fun, and I love them, and this is super cute. I'm gonna put this in my kitchen. Ooh, this is so cute. I'm so excited. All right. So that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was, and let me know if you want to see my either my Fuki collection or my pins and button collections, because I can make that video maybe next week if you guys didn't want to see it, or I can do a mini year collection. I have a wide assortment, not like some people have like hundreds, but I will get there one day. So just let me know in the comments down below also what your favorite item was and what you want to see on next week's video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week. You can follow me on social media. I post the links to my social media right here. So go and follow me. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Bye.